Hello, Jim TechBuzz, new product in for review, and it's the Heyup Boxe projector, and it comes in this nice packaging here. So this has got a native 1080p resolution and supports 4K. It's lightweight and portable for entertainment on the go. Wireless Bluetooth, iOS and Android phones casting, which is good. You have in-app cast as well. You have a flexible picture from 40 to 120 inch with a 1.34 to 1 throw ratio. Built-in 7000 mAh battery, which is cool, so you can have that for playtime without being connected to a mains. You've keystone correction, and you've got quick screen adjustments for fine-tuning and resetting. Fang OS, and you've got intuitive smart OS design, light diffusion better for eye protection, and quiet whispering for immersive TVs and movie experience. So that's basically it. Doesn't have it written on the box, but that's just the main features of the unit. So let's open it up and have a look. So this is how it comes. It's very well presented, nicely packaged as well. So let's take out the goods. So in here we have got this little package here, and you have got some stickers by the looks of it there, and you've got a user manual here, which is fine, so it'll show you how to adjust it. But we'll be going through all that with the setup and show you what the picture looks like and all that kind of stuff. That's what we do here. We don't just give you stock images. So also inside we get the unit itself, which I'm looking forward to looking at because it's a nice funky colour. So you get a plug here as well, USB-C, your gel which will pop aside, and just make sure there's nothing else in there. So we'll be able to get rid of all this now off the table here. So in here we've got a remote and two batteries to come with it. And let's see what the remote looks like. Okie dokie. So that's the remote control there, and you've got a navi pad here, up and down, home button back, probably your menu, you've speech, and your power on and off, and whatever that one is, which we'll find out when we get it going. So that's just the remote control anyway, so have an idea what it looks like if you haven't picked one of these up yet, or decide to pick one up. So that's what's on offer there at the moment. And we're just going to pop all this back in the box out of the way. And here is the unit itself. Pretty nice looking. Nice colour as well, something different. So you've got rubber footing on the bottom. Heyup Boxe projector, HDMI. You can obviously put this on a tripod or some kind of mount if you want. The rubber feet there. So you've got breathing on the side as well with these vents. You've got a focus button up on top, which is made of metal. So you can see that actually moving there, which is cool. And you have a power button here up on top as well. So on the back is your IOs. So you've got your main button there, what it looks of it. So this is probably just to do other focus and stuff or keystone. But again, we'll have that in a full review. You can plug in your headphones, you have USB, you have USB-C, and you can plug in HDMI as well. So everything is there that you're going to need. So you can plug in your games console into this if you wish. Your music you can listen to, you can plug in your headphones to listen to as well. But most importantly is you can watch all your favourite TV shows on a bigger screen. Plus you can also plug in your game consoles, which is really cool. It's not too heavy. It's not too big either in comparison to what some projectors that are out there and some that we have reviewed. And that's pretty much it at the minute for a quick first look at this really cool guy here. So there's a lot going on. We need to check out what kind of apps we can put on it or what can be done. Some of these do be restricted when it comes to stuff, so we'll see. But you do have a OS on it, and you can use Play Stores, like the Aptoid Play Store I think is on this as well. So again, you can use that, and you can find alternative apps there to download. So that's pretty much it there. So if you have any questions in the meantime while we test it out, feel free to ask on techbuzzlearn.com. And of course, we're going to have a full video review soon, showing you all the features, how it works, and what the picture quality is like, and all that kind of stuff, and what you expect to find on the projector. And if you have any questions, again, just drop them below, and see you in the next video. And thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.